Hi, it's Lynn. Welcome to week 4. I just want to give you a quick list of things to think about this week in addition to all the things that you need to do this week. Number one, most important, is there's a test that's available this week. It starts this week and it goes a little bit into the next week for you to take. It's test number 1, and it's on chapter 4, 5.6, and then chapter 6. Now online I have put a handwritten review that everybody needs to do. This is a 20-point assignment that goes in the quiz section. So it's actually worth quite a bit, but it's the best way to help you study for the test. A lot of people have complimented. They're like, wow, that was really great. What I did is I put each section there and I put problem numbers for you to look up in the book and do. One of the requirements is you need to write down the original problem. You need to show all your work. You need to check your answer. I specifically assigned odd problems for you to do so you can check your answers in the back of the book. You need to make sure that you're doing the problems correctly. On My Math Lab, it tells you right away when you do the handwritten review, you need to check yourself. So if you get a problem right, you want to put like a check mark next to it. If you get it wrong, I want you to put an X next to it and then correct it to make it right, because these things are going to be on the test. Not everything, and not everything on the review is necessarily going to be on the test. So there could be some things on the test that aren't on the review. I tried to be pretty complete, but I can always miss some things. So if there's something that you're having trouble with, the handwritten review should give you an idea of what you need to practice more. In addition to that, a test is coming up. We need to finish the chapter 6 assignment. So that's the videos for the rest of chapter 6, the My Math Lab homework assignments, and the quiz for the rest of chapter 6. So all that is going to be due at the same time as it's been due. And the other thing I want to bring to your attention, have you seen my videos? I have tips and tricks videos in the tips and tricks section, in the content section. I've tried to attach them to each week, but if you want to go back and look at some ones that were from earlier, there's some ones that are from chapter 4. There's one on doing long division in chapter 5. So if you haven't had a chance to watch those are really good. They give you a chance to see more what I'm expecting from these problems. So week number 4, go for it. Don't leave that test to the last minute. Also, you need to check the testing center hours. I've put 3 hours for the test. It shouldn't necessarily take you that long, but you need to get to the testing center at least 3 hours before it closes. So check those hours, and I'll see you on the other side.